One of the most common actions that admins and teachers use on the app is creating a post. To create a post, open the Moment app. On the Post tab, where you can see all the posts across your different programs, tap What's on your mind. Choose Please Select Class, and you can choose one or multiple programs to post to. When you are ready, tap the green Done button. Add a subject line, add the body of your post, and add photos or a video to the post. On Moment, you can add up to 10 photos. For each of the photos, you can zoom in or rotate as needed. When you are ready with all the photos, tap Done, and it will add the photos to the post. If you want to designate a post as an important post, which sends a push notification and email about the post immediately, select Important Post. When you are ready, tap the green Post Now button. To create a newsletter, save a draft, or schedule posts for a future date, please go to moment.com and log in to use the web.